Good morning, student. Today I am going to solve the rest of the question of magnetic effect of current. Now I am going to solve question number 24 and its diagram is given here, and listen question carefully. A uniform magnetic field of 3000 Gauss is established along the positive z-axis. A rectangular loop of side 10 cm and 5 cm carries a current of 12 ampere. What is the torque on loop in different cases shown in figure, and what is the force on each case? Which case correspond to stable equilibrium? So student, here magnetic field which is acting along z-axis, its value is what? 3000 Gauss, and 1 Gauss, that is what? 10 to the power minus 4t. So vector B which is along z-axis, unit vector k, it is shown. So 3000 G can be written as 3000 into 10 to the power minus 4 unit vector k Tesla, and after solving this, magnetic field comes out to be that 0.3 Tesla, direction that is what? K unit vector. Length of the rectangular loop, that is what? 10, breadth, that is what? 5. So area of rectangular loop, that is what? 50 centimeter square. In terms of meter square, it can be written as 50 into 10 to the power minus 4 meter square. Current flowing in this rectangular loop, that is what? 12 ampere. And student, you know that magnetic dipole moment, its formula, that is what? IA or NIA. Here number of, here single rectangular loop, so we use M equal to IA. I, that is what? 12 ampere. A, that is what? 50 into 10 to the power minus 4, and multiply this, it comes out to be that magnetic dipole moment 600 into 10 to the power minus 4 ampere meter square. And solving this, magnetic moment in magnitude, it comes out to be that 0.06 ampere meter square. Now student, we have to find torque on the loop in each case. So first, torque on rectangular loop A, and we know the formula, that is what? M cross B. You know that tau is equal to mb sin theta. So torque equal to what? M cross B. And student, here M can also be written in vector form, that is what? I A. Clear? And here, that is what? Magnetic field, that is what? B. And student, you see that rectangular loop direction of current, that is what? Anti-clockwise direction. And already I have explained to you that direction of magnetic moment, that is what? From south to north. And here students, see, direction is what? Anti-clockwise. It means what? The face of this rectangular loop towards you, that is what? North. Current is flowing in anti-clockwise direction. So direction of magnetic moment, that is what? From south to north. And also you know that if current is flowing in circular loop, anti-clockwise direction, so this phase, that is what? North. So direction of torque, that is what? From south to north. So direction of torque, that is what? Perpendicular to this plane, outward. So in this way, what is the direction of torque in this case? Direction of magnetic moment in this case, direct current is flowing in, that is what? Anti-clockwise. So this phase is what? North. And direction of magnetic moment, that is what? South to north. So magnetic dipole moment is what? Towards x-axis, perpendicular to the plane, that is what? Y and Z. So direction of magnetic moment, that is what? Perpendicular to this plane, and the perpendicular to this plane, that is what? Towards x-axis. Or another way, what is the area vector? This is, suppose that this is area, and direction of area vector, you know that direction of area vector is outward drawn normal. So outward drawn normal, because this rectangular loop is kept in a YZ plane, so outward drawn normal to this plane which is what? Towards x axis. So direction of, and you know that m, that is what? Ia vector. So direction of area vector is the same as the direction of magnetic dipole moment. So already we know that direction of magnetic moment is what? Towards x axis, perpendicular to this rectangular loop, because direction is anti-clockwise current in this loop. So direction of magnetic moment is what? Towards x axis. It means direction of area vector is also towards x axis, because which is perpendicular to the plane what? Y and z, and this can be written as, so every time in place of vector m we can write Ia vector. So here it can be written as unit vector. So Ia, I, that is what? In terms of vector, this is what? Towards, here magnetic moment, that is what? Towards x axis, that is what? Unit vector I, and magnetic field, that is what? Towards z axis. So we can write, that is what? Bk, and student, I cross k, that is what? Minus j, and so we can write IAB, and this will be what? Minus j. So Ia, that is what? I have calculated 0.06, and magnetic field, that is what? 0.3, that is its magnitude only, that is what? 0.3, and direction, that is what? Negative y axis. So it comes out to be that 6 3 ja 18, 0.018, that is what? Unit vector j. So it can be written as minus 1.8 into 10 to the power minus 2 j cat. So direction of torque, students, see, direction of torque, that is what? Towards negative y axis, because negative is attached with what? Unit vector j. So magnitude of torque, that is what? 1.8 into 10 to the power minus 2. But direction of torque is towards negative y axis, and its SI unit, that is what? Torque, that is what? Newton meter. So its direction towards what? Negative y axis. Clear? So next one is what? So direction, that is what? Towards negative y axis. See the second loop, only vertical loop is kept in the horizontal direction C. So there will be no change, only position, different orientation of the rectangular loop is kept. Direction of also current is what? Towards anti-clockwise direction. And student, in second case, direction of magnetic moment also, this rectangular loop is kept in YZ plane, and direction of current is flowing in anti-clockwise direction. So this face behaves, that is what? North. So direction of magnetic moment is what? Perpendicular to this rectangular loop, or from south to north. So from south to north, that is what? Perpendicular to this one, that is what? Towards x axis. Or another way, direction of area vector is outward drawn normal. So outward drawn normal, it is kept in what? YZ plane, and it's a outward drawn normal. Normal means what? Towards x axis. So direction of magnetic moment and direction of area vector, that is what? Towards x axis. So for second case, same process, m cross b, tau, that is what? M cross b, Ia, that is what? Same. All things are what? Same, because only orientation of this rectangular loop is what? Change. Direction of the current is same, direction of the magnetic moment is also along along x axis, So area vector is also along x-axis. And student, you also imagine that direction of two vector product of two vector, direction of torque can also. So if one vector is rotated in the direction of second vector, so m comes out to be that I means what, x-axis, and b that is what, towards z-axis means magnetic moment towards x-axis, magnetic field towards z-axis. And if you rotate first vector in the direction of the second vector, so you see that, and this plane, two vectors, first vector that is what, in x towards x-axis, another vector is towards what, z-axis. It means what, two vectors are in xz plane, and vector product of two vector is what, perpendicular, direction of the vector product of two vector perpendicular to the plane. So perpendicular to the plane of x and z, that is what, this will be what, this will be m, and this will be what. If we rotate our stretching finger towards magnetic field, you see that direction of thumb will give the direction of torque, and which show that is what, perpendicular to plane of xz, perpendicular to the plane of xz, that is what, towards y-axis, but it is downward direction. So that is what, direction of torque is what, taken to be the negative y-axis. So answer comes out to be that minus unit vector j. So in both case A and case B, there will be what, torque, their magnitude is what, 0.18 into 10 to the power minus 2 Newton meter, and in both the cases direction of torque is what, towards negative y-axis. Now student, see the diagram. Third, C part. Direction of the current is what? Direction of the current is what? Clockwise direction. So this phase, that is what, towards what, south. And direction of magnetic moment is what? Direction of magnetic moment in case of formula, that tau is equal to what? Vector tau is equal to m cross b and Ia cross b. And here you see the diagram. Current is flowing, that is what? Clockwise direction. So direction of magnetic moment from south to north, it means what? Perpendicular to this plane. And direction of area vector is outward on normal, perpendicular to xz plane. Perpendicular to xz plane means what? That is what? Towards negative y-axis. Because direction of current is what? Clockwise direction. This phase behaves, that is what? South. And direction of magnetic moment, that is what? From south to north. So direction of torque, that is what? Perpendicular to this plane. Direction of torque is perpendicular to this plane. Perpendicular to this plane means what? X and z plane. So direction of torque is perpendicular to this plane, it means towards y-axis, but it is away from y-axis. It means what? Negative y-axis. And if you draw area vector, direction of area vector is what? Outward drawn normal. So direction of, in this case, direction of magnetic moment what? Towards negative y-axis. So area vector is also taken to be what? Negative y-axis. So here we can write, that is what? I, and it can be written as student A, and that is what? Towards negative y-axis. Magnetic field, that is what? Towards, in every case, that is what? Towards z-axis, positive z-axis. And IAB, and its value comes out to be that, already I have calculated, IAB, its multiplication comes out to be that 18.2 Newton meter. Student, J cross K, that is what? Unit vector I, but here negative, so that is what? I cap. J cross K, that is what? Positive I cap, but here negative, so torque in this case, tau is equal to what? So tau, that comes out to be that minus 1.8 into 10 to the power minus 2 unit vector, that is what? I, and unit, that is what? Newton meter. So student, in this case, direction of torque is towards negative x-axis, and next one, student, see the diagram D. Direction of current is what? Reverse in case of direction of current in the part C. So magnitude of torque in this case, that is what? Same. Only there will be what? Magnitude, only the direction of torque is 90 plus. Here, D part, here, magnitude of torque, that is what? IAB in this case, and IAB, that is what? 1.8 into 10 to the power minus 2 Newton meter. This case is similar to case C. Magnitude, that is what? Say, but 30 plus 90, but direction of torque is 90 plus 30, which is 120 degree anti-clockwise direction, with negative x-axis, that is how much? 240 degree with a positive x-axis. So in case D, magnitude of torque, that is what? Same, 1.8 into 10 to the power minus 2 Newton meter as in case of C. Only the direction of torque is what? 90 plus 30. So but direction of torque is 90 plus 30 degree, that is what? 120 degree anti-clockwise direction, with negative x-axis, that is 240 degree with a positive x-axis. And student, next one is what? That is case E. See that first we find the direction of magnetic moment. Current is flowing, that is what? Here, anti-clockwise. So face, this is what? North. This is what? North. So direction of magnetic moment, that is what? Direction of magnetic moment perpendicular to this rectangular plane, means what? Perpendicular plane, that is what? Perpendicular to xy plane, that is what? Towards z axis. Or another word, what is direction of area vector? Direction of area vector is what? Towards, direction of area vector is same as the direction of magnetic moment, and direction of area vector is what? Normal drawn, outward drawn normal on a given loop. So outward drawn normal, that is what? Rectangular loop is kept in xy plane. So outward drawn normal, that is what? Towards z axis. So here tau, that is what? M cross B, and M can be written as IA cross B. And student, IA cross B, direction of area vector or direction of magnetic moment, which is what? Towards z axis. So that is what? It can be written as, that is what? A, that is what? And magnetic field already, that is what? Along what? Z axis. So K cross K, unit vector K cross K, that is what? 0. So in this case torque X, that is what? 0. So no torque acts on the rectangular loop. So torque in this case, that is what? 0. And angle between them is what? Angle between magnetic moment and that is what? Is both are in same direction of magnetic field and direction of magnetic moment, which are same direction. So that is what? Theta, that is what? 0. And already you know that tau is equal to what? Ni mb sin theta. Mb sin theta, that is what? Mb sin 0. So that is what? Tau, that is what? 0. So torque acts on this what? Direction of magnetic moment and direction of magnetic field, which is same, that is what? 0. In this case, if we displace the loop slightly, loop restore their original position. So this is the condition of stable equilibrium. So this case, this is the stable, this is the stable equilibrium. This is the stable equilibrium in this case. And student, in question F, see the direction of current, that is what? Clockwise direction. So that is what? This phase, that is what? South, and this phase, that is what? Below this what? North. And direction of magnetic moment, that is what? Towards negative Z axis. And if you draw a direction of area vector, outward drawn normal. Outward drawn normal means what? Towards negative Z axis. So here tau can be written as, student, m cross b, and Im, that is what? Ia cross b, and area vector, that is what? Towards negative Z axis. So we can write A minus K, and magnetic field, that is what? And K cross K, that is what? Also that is what? 0. So in this case, angle between theta, that is what? 180 degree between what? Between M and B. And in this case, if this loop is slightly displaced from its equilibrium condition, this loop does not regain or restore their original position. So this is the unstable equilibrium. But case E, when loop is what? Slightly displaced, it regain their original position. So loop 3, loop E, which is said to be the stable equilibrium. And student, last part, that is what? Force acting on each loop. Already I have explained to you that when any current carrying loop is placed into the uniform, I have already explained to you that when a rectangular loop is placed into the uniform magnetic field, net force on the loop is what? 0, but torque acts on it. So in all cases, force acting on each loop in uniform magnetic field is what? 0. And this is the answer of the question number 24. And next question.